Hey everyone, welcome to Switchback Off-Road. I'm Ben, and today we're going to be installing some Hothead headliners on our 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon X. And this isn't going to be a direct step install because there's plenty of videos on how to do that, but I do want to document it just because we're out here having fun and you know, if something bad happens, it's nice to have that on film. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in and get the top off. We're starting with the back. We figure it's going to be the hardest thing to do. So yeah, I don't know, Sam.
I think it's gonna come right off. Yeah.
I should have kept my door closed.
Yeah, go ahead and close it. And then now we can just lift up and bring it all the way.
Oh, that ain't bad. That's not bad. All right, time to get rid of, okay. This is gonna be kind of a rant video as well about the Mopar liners. This doesn't even go all the way to the edge of the, it doesn't even fill everything. And it's so thin. If anybody wants it, you can have it. All right, we're gonna rip all this Velcro off. We're gonna get to sanding and we're gonna get the Hotheads in. I feel like since Fiat got bought, Jeep has just kind of, but they've been working on the quality control issues the past couple of years. That's probably the only reason I bought a 24, with the hope that they fix their problems. But all right, we got the old adhesive off. Hothead says you're supposed to sand these down. I really didn't want to, but I also want to make sure that it doesn't fall. So
Can't do much worse than that.
yeah, can't do worse than Mopar. So we're gonna grab some sandpaper, start sanding down. Some leftover adhesive on there. All right, we got it smoothed out. Gonna try to vacuum as much off. I was gonna get a leaf blower and blow it off, but trying to not make a mess. Do a little extracurricular cleaning while we're at it. Why not?
I'll bet you this one. Yeah, you just have like a tiny bit. Oh no, he's stuck together. I think they're ruined.
Yeah, I'll cut here and there.
Okay. I just want to talk. Fix the car for the neighbor. That's not good.
Yep, that's her.
Oh, the other neighbor. Does someone live there?
I don't know.
It looks like it.
Have never, I saw a car parked there our first night.
Maybe it's nice.
All right, we're gonna get to installing. What's crazy to me is the fact that these are held on with a thin piece of 3M adhesive, whereas the factory was held on with like 5 strips of Velcro.
It was really cheap Velcro, to be fair. It wasn't good.
However, that just goes to speak for 3M's quality. All right, and hopefully I can put weight on this table.
I'll have to get under it.
Getting that back to stay down is gonna be the tricky part.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got the back on. This is a lot easier to do with the top off. I did this on my JK, my freshman year of college, with the top on. Made a huge mess and was ridiculously hard to do because you had to wedge these up in between the roll cage and all that kind of stuff. So definitely just go ahead and take the top off. Makes it so much easier. And it's less messy. Being tall helps with this too.
Just a sec. Set it. Alright, I got it. Wait. My side is definitely not in.
All right, hold on before we scratch it. Lift back up.
My side's in right here.
All right, lift it up. I'm gonna open my door. All right, now you open your door. All right. Now come down.
Wait, where's it coming?
It goes just right down.
Got mine so good.
We got her in. Barely. Front should be easy now. All right, front panels should go smooth. The back panels are on. And the top is on. We're just using glass cleaner on these because that's all we had. Acetone or rubbing alcohol probably be better, but you know, like we say, you wheel what you got, you clean with what you got. So I just kind of tried to center it on that groove and stuck it down in there. That was a good cut. It lined up perfect. So I'm just kind of centering it and pushing the center because they're not exactly the same width. But I can tell you from experience that they sure do work well. I honestly want to just layer it up until they're even with the panel, but that would waste a lot of strips. Will you grab me one more? Oh, you almost had this one.
I know, but I do have this one.
It'll race you.
You'll win.
Oh, we just Lady in the Tramp that, bro. We totally Lady in the Tramp that.
I took more of it off, so I wouldn't.
Oh, okay. Is that how that works?
Yeah. Oh, where's that piece that you had?
Wood, the cardboard.
I don't know.
I think I put it on top of the tire over there.
Oh, you did.
I'm putting patches on this now. All right. We got one down.
I've never done this before, so I'm just assuming this is the right.
See that little pin?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. All right, and then undo the...
This one.
Undo the main one.
Oh, yeah.
Voila. Then flip the visor forward.
Yep.
Sweet. One to go. These just fit so good.
They do. It's like they were made for this.
Like, I don't feel like I could stick my finger between the edges of that and pull it out like I did the other one.
Which he literally did. Just do that with the other one.
Exactly. All right, now while we clean up our stuff, we're gonna throw this in and crank the heat up and let them cure. Sweet. And now for the curing process. Well, keys aren't detected. We will crank this up to high. And we'll make it absolutely miserable to be in here. So I'm gonna let this heat up in here for probably about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come in and press all the adhesive up one more time, and then we will be done. So can't wait to put my patches up. That's gonna be awesome, which I might go ahead and do and endure the heat to do it. All right, well, that is gonna do it for this video. I don't know how long this video was, but I mean, how long did it take us to do that? Hour?
Like an
hour and a half? Yeah. So not a bad install on the Gladiator. I know in the Wranglers there's a few more panels to do on the back hard top piece, but super easy. We just got it curing right now, losing daylight, so we're gonna go ahead and close out the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you would, just like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. We're posting a little bit more on there, interacting with you guys, and we just appreciate you guys supporting us and following us along on our adventures. So until the next install or trip, we'll see you. Bye.